Queso chicken nuggets.
Okay. They ordered from an hungry chicken nugget. If you like chicken nuggets, then you gotta sing along. If you like chicken nuggets, this is your favorite song. And if you like chicken nuggets, then you gotta sing along. If you like chicken nuggets, this is your favorite song. Chicken, chicken nugget, chicken nugget, chicken nuggets, yeah. Chicken nugget, chicken nugget.
Wait, let it cook!
Chicken nuggets, yeah. I love chicken nuggets. It's true.
This is the next biggest hit!
I bet I love chicken nuggets more than you do.
Did he say, I bet I love chicken nuggets more than you do? No way.
Chicken nuggets, chicken.
Wait, why is this good?
I love chicken nuggets. It's true. I bet I love chicken nuggets more than you do. If you don't like chicken nuggets, we can't be friends. Me and chicken nuggets till the very end. Honey mustard barbecue, sweet and sour sauce. Can I get 3 of each? I'm gonna eat them all. If you like chicken nuggets, then you know just what to say. I love chicken nuggets and I eat them every day. If you like chicken nuggets, then you gotta sing along.
Oh my
If you like chicken nuggets, this is your favorite song.
Dude, this feels like a hit from 2011. That was like the most popular song in the world. And this comment just says type 1 if case is massive. This song could unironically go platinum. This is so stupid. We should make a Discord channel for Caseoh covers. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, chat. Should we do that? Wait, chat. Is that something that we need to do?